What if I told you that everything you've been taught about the Forex market is a lie? A beautifully packaged illusion that's made a few people billionaires and kept millions trapped in poverty. This isn't just about trading, it's about your freedom, your future, and your bank account. The Forex market is a $7.5 trillion a day monster. But here's the dark truth. Most retail traders never make money. In fact, over 90% of retail traders lose everything within 90 days. Why? Because they're chasing dreams sold to them by fake mentors, Instagram traders, and overpriced courses promising Lamborghinis and private jets. You've probably heard the terms smart money concepts, liquidity grabs, ICT entries. They sound powerful, but are you using them to grow your wealth? Or are they using you? The Forex education industry has become a multi-billion-dollar deception machine, making money not from trading, but from you, from your hope, your pain, your desperation to escape the 9 to 5. Think about it. How many times have you seen ads promising overnight success? How many gurus have you followed, hoping they'd reveal the secret to financial freedom? It's time to face the truth. The system is rigged, but not in the way you think. Let's break it down. The lie is simple. If you learn this one secret strategy, you'll win. But here's the trap. Every losing trader is chasing the next big thing, instead of mastering the basics. These educators know most people won't follow through. That's why they keep repackaging old concepts with fancy names. They'll show you demo profits. They'll flex rented cars. But what they don't show you is that even the banks lose trades. The difference is, the banks don't rely on magic entries. They rely on data, patience, and risk management. You don't need 100 indicators. You don't need a complex algorithm that predicts market movements to the second. What you need is one skill: discipline. The kind of discipline that keeps you grounded when everyone else is losing their heads. But let's get real for a moment. Here's what the gurus won't tell you. Only 1 out of 100 traders stay consistently profitable over 2 years. The average trader blows their first 3 accounts. And here's the kicker. 85% of online Forex educators make more money from courses than trading. Shocking, isn't it? But here's the twist. That doesn't mean you can't win. It just means you need to wake up. You need to see the Forex market for what it really is, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a battlefield where only the prepared survive. So, let's cut through the noise. If you want to win in Forex, you need 3 things: a proven, simple strategy, proper risk management, and a clear mind and discipline. Instead of chasing 150 risk-to-reward trades, why not aim for 1:2 or 1:3 consistently? Forget the flashy trades. Real traders think long-term. The goal isn't to flip $100 into $1 million overnight. The goal is to stay in the game long enough to let compounding work its magic. Just like Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. And that's what Forex can be for you. Not a gamble, but a calculated, patient approach to building wealth. Let's be honest. You might have been scammed. You might have lost money. You might be on the edge of quitting. The pain of seeing your account balance drop to 0 is real. The frustration of watching others succeed while you struggle is crushing. But here's the thing. Your past losses don't define you. Your broken account doesn't mean you're broken. And the system that lied to you can't stop you if you rise from it. You're not here just to survive. You're not here to make a quick buck and disappear. You're here to build something, to change your family's legacy, to rise from 0 and create a future where financial stress is a thing of the past. So what should you do now? If you're serious about making Forex work for you, and I mean really serious, here's your game plan. Stop buying hype. Every time you see an ad promising overnight riches, remember this video. Remember the statistics. Remember the truth. Study real traders. Not the ones flashing cash on Instagram, but the ones quietly building wealth day by day, trade by trade. Practice with discipline. Set up a demo account and treat it like it's real money. Learn to love the process, not just the outcome. And most importantly, never give up. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about your dreams. But you should, because you're the one who's going to make them a reality. Start with a demo, then get funded, then scale slowly. Use this channel, Rise from 0, as your map. We're not here to sell you dreams. We're here to wake you up to reality and show you how to navigate it. If you felt something today, if this message hit you, don't scroll away. Like this video, subscribe, and comment. I'm rising below to let the world know you're not quitting. Your next step is right here. Next video title: the only Forex strategy that actually works in 2025. Don't miss it, because while others are chasing shortcuts, you'll be building a foundation that lasts. This is Rise from Zero, where we help ordinary people build extraordinary wealth from nothing. You're next. The journey won't be easy. It won't be quick, but it will be worth it. Remember, the Forex market doesn't care about your background. It doesn't care where you came from or what you've been through. All it cares about is your ability to read the signs, manage your risk, and execute with precision. Every day, billions of dollars change hands in the Forex market. And while the big players, the banks, the hedge funds, the institutional investors, seem to have all the advantages, there's still room for the little guy. For you, but only if you're willing to play smart. Think about it. Every trade you make is a battle against some of the smartest minds in finance. Every pip you gain is hard-fought. So why would you go into that battle unprepared? Why would you risk your hard-earned money on strategies that sound too good to be true? The truth is, successful Forex trading isn't about finding the holy grail of indicators or mastering some secret technique. It's about consistency. It's about risk management. It's about having the emotional strength to stick to your plan when everything around you is chaos. You see, the market is always changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. But the principles of successful trading, they're timeless. And that's what we focus on here at Rise from Zero. We're not interested in making you a millionaire overnight. We're interested in helping you build a sustainable, long-term trading career. One that can weather the storms of market volatility. One that can provide for you and your family for years to come. So, as you continue on this journey, remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every loss is a lesson. And every day you show up, ready to learn and grow, is a day you're one step closer to your goals. The Forex market isn't going anywhere. It'll be here tomorrow, next week, next year. The question is, will you be ready to seize the opportunities it presents? Will you have the knowledge, the skills, and the mindset to succeed where others fail? That's what we're here for. To guide you, to support you, to challenge you to be better than you were yesterday. Because at the end of the day, your success in Forex isn't just about making money. It's about becoming the kind of person who can handle success. So, are you ready to rise? Are you ready to leave behind the lies and half-truths that have held you back? Are you ready to embrace the reality of Forex trading, with all its challenges and all its potential? If you are, then welcome to Rise from Zero. Your journey starts now. And trust me, it's going to be one hell of a ride.